At Eatron, we are passionate about making batteries better and safer with AI-powered software. And intelligence at the edge is how you win the game. However, there is a wide range of applications where the computation at the edge is very limited. And that's where Syntiant comes in with their NDP-120 chip. They unlock battery intelligence at the edge for a wide number of applications.
Our NDP-120 allowed Eatron software to process all the data on the edge for batteries, reduced operational cost, ensured fast, reliable battery performance without complex cloud systems.
We're now running our latest AI models completely integrated on the edge in the Syntiant chip, and we are able to deliver out of the box exceptional accuracy in state of charge estimation, state of health estimation, lifetime prediction of batteries and diagnostics.
The AI BMS chip addresses the need for real-time, efficient battery management in various applications. It enhances battery life, safety, and performance. This makes it perfect for everything from consumer electronics all the way to commercial vehicles.
With the BMS, we will enable any battery-powered application to be deployed in the millions in complete safety and getting the most energy out of the battery.